Is this a good buy or a good buy? Hey everybody! I recently purchased some fall drugstore makeup. I wanted to share some of those products with you. I also have a giveaway, so stay tuned to the very end. In the summer, our eyebrows tend to grow in a little more, so when the cooler months come, you might need a little zhuzhing to your eyebrows. So I tried the Maybelline FaceStudio Eyebrow Gel. It has almost like a mascara wand, and then it comes with this little spoolie. I did find that it came out too clumpy, so what I did is I took the applicator and I took the spoolie and just rubbed against it and then put it on my eyebrows. I don't know if this is a good buy or a good buy. I'm going to let you guys decide. Let me know in the comments below, and it would probably help if I held it up straight. Oh boy. I also purchased the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit, and it comes with a little brush, a little tweezer, and it has like a waxy kind of setting gel. It's hard to describe. And then two colors. I only saw them in ash, but you know, it's fine because this light color you can use from blonde to light brunette, and the darker color you can kind of use from dark brown to black. I actually really like this one, and the price point on this is so good. I'm like, this is just too good to be true. So this, for me, this was a good buy. Also in this weather, my eyes tend to tear from allergies and wind, so I need my eyeshadow to stay on. So I decided to try the NYX Nude Matte Shadow in a color called Leather and Lace because I sang that song to my husband at our wedding. And it's a really nice color. It's almost like a pinkish nude, which I think is nice with the mauvey colors you tend to wear in the fall. The only thing is the packaging, the top lid, it totally popped out. And this is a problem I have with a lot of NYX products. I had gotten their lip gloss twice and the applicator's cracked. I really like their products, but I think the packaging is kind of cheap. I would spend a few more dollars if the packaging was a little better. I'm still gonna say that this is a good buy because I really like the shadow. I'm wearing it now, and I think it reads really well on camera and it stays on. While I was looking at the NYX products, I picked up their dark circle concealer and also their color corrector concealer. The dark circle concealer, the color's okay, but it just didn't really stay on, so I'm going to say that this was a good buy. And the color corrector I got in the orange tone because I wanted to help seal the dark circles under my eyes even more because they're so bad. And same thing, I don't know, it just didn't really stay on, so this is also a good buy. Keeping with the eyes, I don't like to wear mascara every day. I basically just curl my lashes, but you know, for filming or special occasions, I like to wear it. And in the summer, I did tend to go out a lot, so I wanted to give my eyelashes a break. I wanted to just use this Great Lash Clear Gel from Maybelline, and just like their regular mascara, I felt it's so watery, so it ended up making my lashes fall down as opposed to picking them up. I even tried it on my eyebrows to groom them, and still too watery, like it just did nothing. So unfortunately, Maybelline, this is a good buy. Okay, because I don't want to totally diss Maybelline, I got this master blush set from them. It's really nice for its price point because it has a highlighter, a pinkish color, a peachy color, and a berry color. The berry color was a little too dark for my skin tone. The pink didn't show up enough, and the peach was a little too peachy for me, but this highlighter I love it. I wish they sold it separately. I have it on now and I wore it in a couple of videos. I'm still going to say and finally give Maybelline a goodbye. This summer I used the Wet n Wild Icon Blush in Rose Champagne every day. There's hardly any left. And I really like their blush. Their blush stays on. I feel like sometimes in the fall I need a little bit of a rosier color, and I tend to use the peachy tones because of my olive skin tone. I picked up a color called Pink Perfection. It is almost like a dupe for NARS Orgasm. This looks so good, and again, such a great price point. They don't test on animals. I love their products. If they want to send me something, they can send me whatever. Doesn't cost them much, so they could just send it to me. Because I love Wet n Wild so much, I am going to give away one of the Ultimate Brow Kits. Unfortunately, I am not going to be able to ship to international. I'm really busy this time of year. I mean, I don't even have time to make my hair not frizzy for these videos, so it's US only. All you have to do is comment below on one of the products. If you tried it, if there's something you really like, just comment below and I will pick a winner at random in about a week or two. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy all my videos, including the new intro I just put in. Let me know in the comments below if you like it. In my next beauty segment, I will be doing a holiday look in a collaboration with another channel. So stay tuned for that. Have a good fall, y'all.